Welcome to New Car, where we explore the future of automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2024 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact SUV that's been completely reimagined to blend bold style, cutting-edge technology, and everyday practicality. This isn't just a facelift. It's a complete transformation that proves Volkswagen isn't resting on its laurels. From its striking new exterior to its tech-forward cabin, the 2024 T-Roc is designed to captivate drivers who demand both personality and precision. Let's break down what makes this compact SUV one of the most exciting releases of the year. The first thing you'll notice is the T-Roc's front end. Volkswagen has completely redesigned the grille, giving it a more aggressive, modern look. The new honeycomb pattern is sharper, with chrome accents that catch the light in a way that feels premium without being flashy. The headlights are now slimmer and more dynamic, featuring a signature LED lighting design that gives the T-Roc an unmistakable identity. Step around to the side, and you'll see how Volkswagen has refined the T-Roc's proportions. The roofline is sleeker, with a subtle coupe-like slope that gives it a more dynamic silhouette than its predecessors. Now let's step inside. The cabin feels like a completely new space. The first thing you'll notice is the upgraded infotainment system, a massive 12-inch touchscreen that's now standard across all trims. It's paired with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable, letting you choose between minimalist, sporty, or navigation-focused layouts. One of the standout features is the new augmented reality navigation. When you activate it, the system overlays directional arrows directly onto the road ahead via the head-up display, making it easier to follow turns without taking your eyes off the road. It's especially useful in tight city streets or unfamiliar neighborhoods. Under the hood, the 2024 T-Roc offers a range of efficient yet powerful engines. The base model features a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine that's surprisingly peppy for its size,